थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, आप आए। अब मैं सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि किसी भी तरह का कोई भी प्रश्न हो आप पूछ सकते हैं। हेमंत जी ने तो स्वाभाविक था कि पूछना ही था। प्लीज
You sir just mentioned about the agriculture and the policies, how we have gone wrong, and you mentioned it was basically at the time of Nehru. But I think the agriculture degradation started post 1960-62, wherein we started the chemical and the pesticide based agriculture, and wherein we have not factored in the cost of environmental degradation, which includes killing of insects, birds and everything, and other kind of degradation which is happening. So we have not factored in that cost. Because we have not factored in that cost, which other European countries and even the American, the whole continent, they have done it. So that's how we are undervalued. And I think there's another issue which we should consider over here with environmental degradation. Article 14, intergenerational equality, not equity. Intergenerational equality is also affected, because this is a bigger kind of question. So I think my take is that this is post 1960 degradation, though yield would be there's too small, sir, too small other than this. Then you mentioned about milk. Certainly we are number one in milk production, but at the same time, sir, we are also not giving greens to our animals. We are absolutely on fodder waste, on grazing on grass. So there's no other country which can be number one with this kind of grazing, this kind of feed to animals. So I think that is creditable to India as far as milk production goes. Then sir, you mentioned about dollars, the value of devaluation and all that. So being an economic professor, there's a specific question over here. I mean, I am always a little perplexed by the PPP, purchase power parity, and the actual valuation of dollar. And I always wonder, how can purchase power parity we be X Indian rupees 3x the dollar, and at the same time we say that our rupee is getting weak and we are at 65 rupees. So if PPP we can purchase 3 times more than the US dollar, then ideally our actual valuation should be into 3. Yes. Then how come we are at that level? This is certainly not at all realistic. So these are 3 brief comments. There are other, but I am limiting myself to these so that yeah.
Well, on the question of pesticides and all these things being introduced in 1962 responsibly, you must know that the PL 480 was started in 1952.
Yeah, that was a hybrid.
The first shipment of the American donation of food came in
Ford Foundation at that point.
Yes, yeah. And PL Ford Foundation was the advisor, but the American US government sold you grain, gave you grain at a concessional price on rupee payment, which the Americans then collected together, put it in their embassy. So we had this problem of food grains that time itself, and in fact we had major food grains crisis in 65-66. Just after to the real use of pesticides and fertilizer and all came with the so-called package, which was prepared with the International Rice Institute and all, and that really came in 67 onwards, not 62. And by 75 we were food self-sufficient.
That's correct.
I am not denying your thing that this has a degradation thing, and as a consequence the intergenerational equity is disturbed.
Equality also.
Yes, well, definitely. But there are correctives for that. Why do you have to use pesticides? You can use other methods. Why do you have to use chemical fertilizer? There are others. We must seek that. But at the same time, you cannot say that what you have to have is a rely on the rain and hope that the agricultural production is adequate. It's not going to be adequate. We've got to raise the nutrients in the soil have been all sucked out during the British period, and we have to redo it. I would like, therefore, focus on agriculture, and focus on agriculture to be a global sector, because it's so cheap. And we are, even though we have all this, as you correctly pointed out, milk. Milk, yes, you're not giving them a proper nutrition. That's why it's so low.
Water waste and
All
grassland.
that, but why don't you do it the way the Israelis do it? They have fixed the diet so strictly. You have to go to Israel and see. And that produces 11,000 liters. It's not a joke compared to our 200 liters.
Sir, unfortunately, even human beings don't have that kind of diet in India. So that's a bigger problem.
Well, I think if the cows produce this kind of milk, we will get good diet also. I don't think so many milk products can be made. So all these things have solutions, and we have to proceed it. But your concerns are justified. Now, on the question you mentioned about
Purchase power
the
parity.
dollar. See, if I have a good haircut in India, even in a 5-star hotel, it is not more than 2,000 rupees. You divide that by say 60. You get $18?
That's good.
Huh? $18 is it or 30? 2,000 by 60 is yes, $30. In the United States, you cannot even in a very low level barber shop get anything less than $60.
That's correct.
So actually, the rate should be 1:2.
The PPP is 1:3 actually.
Yeah, I know
versus
that.
US.
I know. So PPP does. What does this foreign exchange measure? It measures the supply of foreign exchange you have versus the demand for foreign exchange. PPP measures the production costs.
That's the actual valuation. So
Agreed. So you have the policy to see that your foreign exchange rate reflects, in my opinion, and it may sound radical, the true price of the dollar is only 10 rupees.
that's-
And it can be made 10 rupees again within 3 years. By taking measures, you see, where you don't have to, what is the need for having a free market foreign exchange setup? Because there is no country in the world which is all free. The governments intervene all the time. You got $277 billion in reserves. You don't need much reserves to change it.
versus a 15 trillion debt of US.
Yeah, the US is having a gala time at your expense, you see. They're not bothered. So, that is what I'm saying, and while I'm concerned, I agree with your concerns, but I think they are all solutions, and we should look for solutions.
Sir,
Yeah.